Hello dears, how are you? In this video we are going to see that how to set custom divider or custom separator line in list view in Android graphically and programmatically inside Android Studio 4.0. So inside the final output we will have a separate or custom separator line or custom divider line inside Android with Android Studio 4.0. So as per the guideline, upgrade your Android Studio to Android Studio 4.0, whatever the latest version we will have. And we are going to use view binding to replace the find view by IDs. Let's start. How we can set custom divider or custom separator in list viewing Android graphically and programmatically. So go to new project with empty activity inside Android Studio 4.0. For the view binding, it is OTS, means one time step. Build.gradle file, we need to write view binding enable equals to true. Design the main screen with constraint layout with one list view, and after that we are going to code inside graphically manner, means inside the layout file. So let's start. Go to Android Studio, new project with empty activity, click on next, give the name whatever you want to set, demo underscore list view underscore custom divider line. So all the steps are ready. Inside the build.gradle file, we are going to write one line view binding enable equals to true. Make sure your internet connection is on. Click on sync now. After the capabilities of view binding, there is no need for write find view by IDs for all the components. So capabilities are ready. Just we add two lines, which is activity underscore main binding, initialize the variable binding equals to activity underscore main binding dot inflat get layout inflator, press semicolon, and inside the set content view just write binding dot get root. So the line for the view binding, these are ready. Again we are going to set another layout file which is custom. So go to file, new project, then layout resource file. Inside that just type my text view. So click on OK. Just over here we need to write text view, and layout underscore width will be match parent and height will be wrap content. So text size I want to set 50 sp, and text color I want to set has 512 DA8. Whatever the color you want to set, you can set as per your choice. Text style will be bold and padding will be 20 dp. So all the steps are ready. Inside the activity underscore main.xml, I want to make it with the background as FFF, means white, and padding of 20 dp. So 20 dp, 10 dp, whatever you want to set. So 10 dp. Okay. Just I close this one, and inside the main activity we are going to write some code. First we make the array list, which is collection class, array list type of string, and array list underscore whatever the name you want to give. Likewise, if you want to give the name of flowers, then you can give array list flowers. After that, array adapter of type string, just type array adapter underscore flowers. Okay. So after that I want to make one method public void load data. Okay. To initialize all those variables over here, just I have that particular, just I initialize the variables with this one, and initialize array adapter flower equals to new space control space. So get application context, you can write main activity dot this also. So over here r dot layout dot we have our own file my text view, and the last one argument is array list of flower. So press semicolon and binding dot, we need to give the ID. I think I am going to activity underscore main.xml file. Inside the particular we how to set the list view with ID @ +id underscore lv underscore flowers. Okay, and just remove this text line. So list view is ready. Then binding dot lv flowers dot set adapter, and you can set this array adapter flower. Very easy. So just I call this load data method over here. First we need to check what is by default line will be there. So let's see what happened. Press Shift F10 and check the output after Gradle prelim process will be finished. So our list view filled with this rose, lily and tulip and all those flowers name. See this one. By default there is a scroll view. If the height of your list view will be increased than your screen height, then automatically scroll view will be there. So this one is by default line. We need to change with our custom line. So what we are going to do? So first thing I have made this one C line 1, C line 2, C line 3 and 4. You can make on your own. Just I copy this one and going to paste inside the drawable. Just press Ctrl V. Inside the drawable, just I paste it. Click on OK. So all the lines over here. So you can make on your own custom divider or separator line. Then what I am going to do, first I going for the activity underscore main.xml. Over here I am going to write the line over inside the list view. So just line divider, then see line 1. So first thing it is ready. Just I press Shift F10 and let's see which types of custom divider right now we have. So Gradle process is finished. Then this is the first example of custom divider line. Very nice, you can set on your own. So for the second one, second custom divider, just I want to change to C line 2 and I want to set the gravity over here, then set the gravity to right. But for that we need to change this custom list view layout width will be match parent. So just I press Shift F10 and let's see what the output is. I sure that a very nice output you are going to see. See this one. Very nice separator line. You can imagine and you can set on your own. So this is the thing that we have set with particular of C line 2. Again C line 3 that we are going to set C line 3. For that we want to make it center horizontal. So press Shift F10 and you will see this one fantastic output with the center horizontal, gravity and custom divider or custom separator inside the list view. See this one. Very nice separator you can set on your own on the custom basis. So after that just I remove this line from the list view. After that I want to set the custom divider programmatically. So let's see how we can set the custom divider programmatically. So over here there is no line and I'm going to main activity, and after the load data just you can set the line binding dot lvflowers dot set divider, then get resources, okay, get resources dot get drawables, and you can set r dot drawable dot c line 4. By this way, this is the line that you can set the separator or divider, custom your divider from the drawable folder to list view. Just I press Shift F10 and let's see. You can see another good looking output of custom divider or custom separator inside list view. So let's look this one, very nice. So see this one, this is the output. I like it, so I share with you. So how you can set custom divider or how to set custom separator in list view Android graphically and programmatically. So thanks for watching, share with your friends, like it, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.